Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the March update from Moongate Antigua. As you can see, we've now reached a single level. Delighted to be standing here in the middle of what will be our restaurant space, swimming pool and public guest courtyards. We have taken on site in the last 2 weeks the first of the interiors containers, along with all of the indoor and outdoor tiles for the public areas. We've taken delivery of our reverse osmosis plant, and we've also taken delivery of the last of our doors and windows from Italy. Over the next couple of weeks, we'll start to have its concrete cast. The foundations for the roof will be going in, and then you'll see, like the updates from the reception hall, you'll see a really exciting piece of joinery going together, which will erect the main restaurant building right here where I'm standing now, where we'll be able to employ even more of our traditional joinery trades, masonry trades, that thankfully have received such a boost recently with the passing of new legislation in Parliament to protect our historic buildings and monuments. So next couple of months you'll see this area completely built out, all the exterior tiling, shower areas, lounger areas all laid out, so we have a very exciting time as we move towards completion. So thank you everyone. I look forward to speaking with you next month, and until then everyone stay safe, keep well, and thank you again.